everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox a product from the unboxing king himself, Lou from Unbox Therapy. He makes some interesting products with the Latercase. Here in front of me I've got the Latercase screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It'll be interesting to see what the unboxing experience is made by the unboxing king himself. So without further ado, let's dive into the box, shall we? Designed in Canada, made with gorillaglass. Alright, so let's see how the unboxing experience is. So it's got a little magnetic latch, which is really cool. A lovely red color, which has scratch resistance, advanced clarity, and there are 2 packs inside, so in case we screw up one, there's another one for us. So let's see. Let's open this up. Okay. Anything else in the box? Nothing. So we have a cleaning cloth and some removal stickers for dust and a cleaning swab. And of course, the tempered glass itself. He says it'll be easy to install. Let's see how easy it is. Put this aside. I've got my iPhone 12 Pro Max here. I'm gonna install the screen protector because as good as the ceramic shield is, and as shatterproof as it is, I would like to protect it from scratches. It's perfect with, sorry about the reflections because I don't really have a studio at home, but you basically can see that there are no visible holes. It's perfect.
So that's been a quick into the box look at the Latercase by Lou from Unbox Therapy. It did take 2 tries to apply the tempered glass, so it was great that we had 2 in the box. Application was simple and just requires patience and care. The tempered glass honestly feels even better on the finger than the actual glass on the phone, in my opinion. Please let me know what you think. Would you get one of these tempered glasses? If yes, which ones? How has your experience been? Leave any questions in the comments down below. As always, please do subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate it as the YouTube algorithm likes that and it helps out the channel. Links to this product and other considerable products are in the description below. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.